I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by eliminating the common culprits. Check and install any OS or carrier updates now, because outdated software often drops connections. Turn off battery saver and Wi-Fi sleep settings so the radio stays active. This prevents the phone from suspending the hotspot. Next, disconnect extra devices and test with only one client to reduce congestion and isolate the issue. Once done, note whether disconnects stop. If so, the problem was power or load-related, and you can continue to fine-tune settings. Now perform the deeper adjustments that address interference and addressing conflicts. Change your hotspot band. Use 5 GHz for lower interference if clients support it, or 4 GHz for better range. Set DHCP lease durations longer or assign a static IP on the client to avoid frequent renewals that cause drops. Manually pick an access point channel away from neighbors to reduce collisions. Also clear the client's saved network and rejoin so it negotiates fresh parameters. These steps stabilize the link. Finish by rebooting both the hotspot device and the client. Many lingering radio issues clear on restart. Test under a controlled load. One device first, then add others while monitoring for drops. If instability persists, try USB tethering to determine whether wireless hardware or carrier is at fault, and update firmware on any companion router or modem. If nothing helps, perform a factory reset as a last software step, and then contact your carrier with logs and timestamps so they can investigate network-side disconnections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.